In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Wise to Alipay. By the end, you'll know exactly which options to choose in Wise, so your money lands straight in an Alipay wallet in China, quickly and with minimal hassle. First, open your Wise app or log in on the web and head to the Send section. This is where every transfer begins. Think of it as telling Wise two things: what you want to send and where you want it to arrive. Wise will show you a clear breakdown of the amount, the exchange rate, and the fees before anything is finalized, so you always know what to expect. Next, choose Chinese Yuan, CNY, as your currency. This is important. Selecting CNY unlocks the option to deliver funds to Alipay. If you pick another currency, the Alipay route won't appear, so make sure you set the recipient currency to Chinese Yuan. You'll notice Wise automatically converts from your source currency to CNY using its transparent rate. Then, select Alipay as the method for how the money should arrive. This tells Wise to send to a digital wallet instead of a bank account. It's the most direct path for people who prefer to receive money in their Alipay balance, and it helps avoid extra steps on the recipient side. Now choose Add Recipient. Here, select e-wallet, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's Alipay details. Depending on your region and Wise interface, that typically means entering the Alipay account information that identifies the recipient's wallet. Make sure the recipient's name matches what's on their Alipay profile exactly, including spacing and any characters, to reduce the chance of delays or rejections. If you're using a test or sandbox environment, you might not see the e-wallet option. Don't worry. On a LiveWise account, once you've set the recipient currency to Chinese Yuan, the Alipay option will be available. A few quick tips as you enter those details. Double-check the Alipay account is active and able to receive international transfers. Confirm any local formatting requirements such as name order or character set to keep things smooth. Wise will flag anything that looks off, but it's best to get it right the first time. And there you go. Once those fields are complete, Wise handles the rest and routes the transfer to Alipay. Transfers to digital wallets are often fast, and the recipient should see funds in their Alipay balance shortly after processing. That's all you need to send money from Wise to Alipay. Start a send, set the currency to Chinese Yuan, choose Alipay, add the recipient as an e-wallet, and enter their Alipay details. Simple, clear, and ready to go.